guys remember Ryan? What's up?
Welcome back to another episode of Redfish Blue Tail. Got Ryan up front right here. We just got our first shrimp in the net. It was about 12 to 14 casts, but we finally found about 10 or so. This guy behind us over here, at least on the bigger boat, is the fishing captain. He tends to know where the bait is, guys. So we're just gonna piggyback his knowledge right now and try to scoop up a quick 10 dozen or so. Later.
Don't need the dustpan for this.
I'm gonna get his line back up real quick. How about that?
Holy shit.
That's awesome, dude.
Good one.
Yeah, look at all those guys.
32.
It's like we were in 31, 32 and like drifted into 26. All right. Got a neutral just a second. All right, in reverse right now. I got 26 there, dude. I know you. 32. Okay. 3-2. 3-2.
I gotta get down there sometime, man.
It's a good time.
Never been to the Keys. I've always wanted to go.
It's very boat heavy.
Yeah.
All right. Come on. Is there a couple? Like a good 8 or so. Oh, another flounder.
Yep. Looks like a flounder.
Oh, you got one over there too.
There you go.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Two, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah. Let me get your back over your numbers. Baby squid. Dude, you hammered these shrimp, man. Just don't toss them on ice? Yeah. Look at those beauties. Don't really need to bury them, do I? guys, so I've been fishing right here at Fort Sumter, just kind of fishing on the rocks, and just my GoPro died. Had to replace the battery, but check out that chunk of a trout on that eye strike jig. That's a solid trout. Let's see here. Right at 18 inches. All right, bud. Dude. First fish of the day. That was a nice sized trout. He just was a subtle bite on that thing too, man, but I could just feel it was a big one. Just the most subtle bite. Moving like a trout. Watch this anchor line. Nice. That's a solid trout too, man. Mine was like 18 on the nose.
That was a nice trout, dude. That's a bigger than any trout I've caught in a long time.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Beautiful. Let's cast over you and see if there's something else up. Another trout, huh? That was bigger, dude.
Yeah, it was.
That was a nice sized trout. Ryan got a solid red on some live shrimp on the bottom, or under cork. Got a little cork going on there. Beautiful fish. Yeah, my GoPro's about to die. Whew. What a beauty. I'm on. I just cast up into that little, this is a nice fish, man. Feels nice. It's a trout. A little red. I mean, I literally just cast right up in that where that current is.
That's what I was thinking earlier when we were moving. I was like, put something off that point real quick.
Bam. Why don't you nuzz me back over that point real quick?
Yeah. They put this collateral protection insurance on my
Well, that's it, guys. Heading back to the hill. Maybe 3 pounds of shrimp. You saw all that stuff. We got 3 reds and 3 trout. Ryan, you picked up 2 trout and a red. I got a trout and 2 reds. Appreciate you guys following along. Hit that subscribe button. Later.